travel all our lives and not even realize we're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. How many of you are thinking on this way? I don't know, maybe a few, maybe more, I would say. If you ask me why, it's because I wanna know where I'm coming from and where I will go. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. Sometimes I wonder why we always try to find another place to live in the space. Maybe this is the truth, maybe this is our route, maybe this is the way how we are on this place. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. We're cruising, we're spinning, and we are living on the same ship called Earth. On the same ship called Earth. On the same